Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The seventh row is waiting. So let's start our cozy tatting evenings. This is our row and this is chains only row again. Measure previous row diameter, leave the thread, pull through the picot before loading the shuttle. And now this chain, the first chain, is identical to this one. So I just want to show you one moment that here we need to make a joint picot and we need to make it two picots at the same time. Here, 1 and 2. 2 picot. And we need to join them at the same time. So 1, 2. 1 and 2. And again, make the ball thread straight. And just continue making the next chain. So this is 2, picot, 14 and 3. And yeah, this is how it should be. Thank you so much for sharing your beautiful works. I'm so happy to see your progress. And again, if you're tatting along, please feel free to tag me in the comments and maybe your work will be featured in my next video. If you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching and as usual, like, comment and subscribe. Have a great time tatting and see you in the next video. Bye!